Alright, this is me showing like my Canik Mete SFT. I never did a true unboxing of it, but this is the real one. Like, I thought like when I did the review of the gun, I was like, I should have did an unboxing first. So this is just what I should have did first. But if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and please tell me how I did. Alright, this right now is me unboxing the Canik SFT, well, the Mete SFT. So it comes with it comes with this hard case, and it comes with manuals, superior firearms. It comes with an NRA. I guess you get free NRA bullet pen. Warning: basically, don't use. Basically saying like, you know, typical warning stuff. If you want to customize it with a, let's just say a threaded barrel. You know, it gets a lot of stuff from CanikUSA.com. So that comes in there. So up top we have, okay, get this out of here. So this is a larger back plate for the pistol. I didn't have problems with the one that comes with it on, so I never put that on. Gives you a punch, need be, if you need to take something apart or you want to upgrade something. This is nice that it gives you that. Kind of sturdy too. This right here, my people think is like a toy, but this right here is basically a screwdriver. Oh my god! So basically a screwdriver, and it comes with, you know, different screws and different bits to take out, you know, if you want to add a scope to the pistol or some whatnot. So I thought that was pretty neat. And right here we have a barrel cleaning tool. I'm not going to use this. I'm probably going to buy like an aftermarket one just to keep it clean. If you want to literally like clean your barrel and probably put like some like a old cloth or something just to get out the carbon, that's what that's for. This right here is, you know, to lock your trigger. This right here, these are plates, I guess, for different scopes. I don't have a scope yet, so I don't know which one is for which. Like, because I don't know which yet, what scope I want yet. I'm kind of browsing the market. It also gives you speed loader, which is cool. I've been using it for this gun, and I've been using it for that gun. This right here is a 20 round mag. It's actually 18, but with the extension it's a 20 round. So that's neat. And this right here is this is just a regular 18. So when you put it in, this one is kind of flush. Right here was a mag well, but I have the mag well on, and you see it gives you a you know, a holster. Holster's kind of bulky, but that's what it is. Gun is not loaded. It's not even a magazine in it, but it's not loaded. But this is the mag well that I put on here. I feel like it makes it so if you want to, like, if you know what I'm saying, you're kind of off, this will literally guide your magazine in better. At the top is for the optics. Like I said, I haven't found optic yet. It has a rail system. Overall, like, I like the pistol. It even has a to let you know the firing indicator, like the mag gets no. So see, just let you know it's not ready. Has an indicator right here to let you know it's one in the chamber. It'll be sticking up. But this right here is for let you know like the pin is ready to fire. See, so yeah. Like I said, this is a short video. More videos coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and give me your feedback. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. And even if you do give me a thumbs down, just let me know what you didn't like about it.